Namaste friends, this is Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. Under the title Learning with J, empowered by Magic Needles. Today I am going to show us how to make 2-row DCs together, DC 2 rows together. For that you can take any number of chains. Since I am going to do only a sample here, I have taken 10 chains and I have placed a stitch marker in the very first chain because I am going to have 10 2 rows of DCs done. So I am going to start working in the first chain itself. I am not going to consider the chain 4 that I am going to do to give a rise as a stitch. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. Don't count this. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and now you're going to insert in the very first stitch, pull out a loop. So now you'll have 5 loops on the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will be pulling through 2 at a time and finish off. So this is yarn over, pull through the first time, second time, third time and the fourth time. When you do the stitch, you will find one slant loop here. So next you should not work in the slant loop at all. You should leave away the slant loop. The slant loop should look evenly on all the stitches over there. So this is your first DC and this is your top DC. Now yarn over, insert your hook into the loop that is away from the slant loop. At this point I am going to remove my stitch marker here. I don't require it anymore. So you should insert it here in this loop. So yarn over, insert in this loop, yarn over, no pulling out the loop, and insert a hook into the next stitch, next chain, yarn over, pull through. Again you will have 5 loops on the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So if you want to know where you have to work when you come back, this is your first stitch. Put a stitch marker here, this V. Again you will find a slant loop coming from this stitch. This is not to be considered at all for picking up. Yarn over, the loop away from the slant loop, insert your hook there, yarn over, then insert in the next stitch or the chain. If it is a foundation row, it is the chain, otherwise it's the stitch. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 second time, third and the fourth time. So this is how your stitches 2 row DCs are formed. 1 DC here, 1 DC on top. Yarn over, again insert in the loop away from the slant loop, insert in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert again, that is, you will have the slant loop and a loop here. This is the DC made. This is the last DC made, 2 row DC made. This is coming from the previous row DC. This is linked to it. So now you are going to work in the DC that you have just completed. So you need to pick up your loop from that DC, and the loop that is to be picked up is on the bottom DC here. Yarn over, insert your hook there, yarn over, insert into the next chain, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So this is the concept of 2 row DC working together. Yarn over, insert your hook here, yarn over, again in the stitch away from the hook, insert here, so 4 times you'll have to pull through 2 loops at a go. Yarn over, insert in the pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So this is a slant loop. You're going to pick up the loop that is just adjacent to the slant loop, that is, this is the DC that you have worked the latest. So from there only you need to pick up, yarn over, insert your hook under that loop, yarn over, no pulling it through, then insert into the next chain in the bottom row, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And the last, I'm going to place it in the last one. Again, the slant I'm not going to work, the loop away from the slant, the last work DC, yarn over, insert your hook here, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is how you work your 2 rows of DCs together. Don't bother about this curling, it will get set when you do the subsequent rows here. So I have 2 rows of DCs together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay friends, hope now you understood how to make 2 rows of DCs together at the same time. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do hit on the bell icon so that you are notified as and when a video is uploaded. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.